Good morning, children. How are you? Hope you are fine and you are safe and you are spending the time with your parents as well as in your education. So you are learning the things at your home. So many things you are learning at home, right? So here, yesterday we have completed the worksheet 1. Here we have completed. Okay, today we are going to start the worksheet 2. This is for the 5th class children. Worksheet 2 English. Okay. Here open the page number 3. Here you can see here open the page number 3. Okay children, here match these animals with the movements that they make. Okay. You have to match the animals with their movements. Okay. So here you can see, you can find out it's not about the sounds, it's about the movements. Okay. So here, what is this horse? Horse can gallop. Horse can gallop. Okay. And frog. Frog every time it hops. It hops now every time from one place to another. Right. That is hop. Okay. Then here fish. Fish can swim. Yes, swim. This is snake. Snake can slither. It is crawling. Yes, that is the movement of the snake. This is a bird. Bird can fly. Yes, bird can fly. Okay, children. Next, this is elephant. Yes, it is more. It has more weight than these animals, right? Yes, and it can amble. Amble is nothing but beta walking. It can walk fast, but it cannot hop or jump. Yes, animals are the only elephants are the only animals which cannot jump. Okay children, but they can walk. Okay, and here come to your B part. Find 8 things you would see in your house in this word search. Okay, so these are the things you can do, beta. What are the things that you can find? You can find it in your home. And what are the things you can find in your school? That is classroom, chalk, duster, blackboard, table, right? These are the things. But when you are at home, then what are the things you can find? That you have to either you can you can just circle around it. Okay. Next. So this is the first one. How many words you have to search, children? That is 8. Okay. CURTAIN, curtain. CHAIR, chair. TABLE, table. SOFA, sofa. So sofa you can find in the school or any other places. Few other places you can find, but not in the school. Yes. And fan you can find in the school. Yes. Fan you can find everywhere, right? Wherever the rooms are there, wherever the houses are there, you can find the fan, right? Next one is mirror. What do mirror? MIRROR, mirror. What do you do with the mirror, children? Yeah, you can see your reflection on the mirror. Yes. Next one is television. Yes, television. TV is a television. Is a expand form of TV. Okay, that is television. TELEVISION, television. Last one is a refrigerator. REFRIGERATOR, refrigerator. Don't use as fridge. You have to use refrigerator. In every day you can use a refrigerator. When you are speaking with your parents also, I kept the things in the refrigerator. I kept the curry in refrigerator. Like this you can use. Then only your communication can enhance. Okay. Let us check whether this has 8 things or not. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. We found all the 8 things which can find in our house. Okay children? Yes, turn to the page that is worksheet 3. Okay children, please do the worksheet 3. Okay, this is the grammar part. Okay. A. Add full stops and tick the complete sentences. Add words of your own to complete the incomplete sentences. Here in this 6 sentences they have given. In this few are complete sentences. In the complete sentences you have to just tick, and where are the incomplete sentences are there, that you have to complete it. Okay children, let us see. My school is always shut on Sundays. This is a complete sentence. Then you have to tick. Okay, next. My mother always loves me. You can write my mother's always care of about me. My mother always cook the food for me. Okay. You can say that my mother teaches me. She's the first mother. She's the first teacher of my life. So my mother always teaches me a good habits, right? That also you can write. There's a various sentences you can form. Okay. Next. The cat is sleeping. Yes, this is cat is sleeping. This is a complete sentence. You have to tick. Next. The birds on a tree. Yes, the birds on the tree. So it is the birds on the tree are chirping. You can write, this is not a complete sentence. Then you have to write are chirping. Chirping means how they are making the noise. That is called as chirping. The birds on the nest are chirping. So this is not a complete sentence, that you have to write are chirping. Or laying the eggs in the nest. That you can write. The bird on the tree singing. That also you can write. Yes, next. Last night we went to attend birthday party. So last night where you went, that you can write. Either you went for the shop, either you went to a restaurant, or either you went to a aunt's home or uncle's home. That also you can write. There is nothing wrong in that. Okay, children? Yes. But you have to complete the sentences. Okay. I forget my umbrella in the home. I forget my umbrella wherever. Like suppose if you have you took the umbrella and you forgot your umbrella in the shop, then also you can write. Okay. Other place also you can write. Okay, children? Next. Here, B part. Add punctuation marks and capital letters and rewrite these sentences. You have to rewrite the sentences with the help of capital letters and the punctuation marks. Do you know, children, what are punctuation marks? Full stop, comma, question mark, exclamation mark. Okay, these are called as punctuation marks. Let us see. Will you please carry this bag? So here capital W I have written. Next, will you please carry this bag? This is the question. Yes, that's why I have written question mark. Please note it down in your worksheets, children. Okay. I wonder when Rita will arrive. I wonder when Rita will arrive. Okay. Simple sentence. Yeah, this is capital and this is full stop I have written. Okay. The sunset is beautiful, isn't it? Here we have to write the first capital letter. The sunset is beautiful. Then you keep comma and you have to write isn't it? Because they are asking the question, right? Then you have to keep question mark. Okay, children? We ate roti, cauliflower and salad for lunch. What we have eaten, that you have to write. But here capital W you have to write. Then we ate roti and cauliflower and salad for lunch. Here you have to keep full stop. Okay, children? Next. Abhishek is in meeting. So Abhishek, capital A you have to write. Remaining are small. Is in meeting. Then you have to keep full stop. See, children, whenever you are starting any of the sentence, you have to write the capital letters. Okay, children? Now, next one. See, rearrange these words to make sentences. Write them down using capital letters and punctuation marks. Same we have to do. Okay. Have green, parakeets, feathers, beak are red. Here, the sentences were not scrambled or they are not here and there. But here the words are here and there, like they are unscrambled, and then we have to unscramble it. Okay. Then we have to do the capital letters and then full stop. Okay, children? Have green, parakeets, feather, beak, red. So green parakeets have feathers and a red beak. You can write in your worksheet, children. Okay. Eat they fruits, grains, seeds, nuts and. They eat fruits, grains, seeds and nuts. Okay. They eat grains, fruits, grains, seeds and nuts. Like this you have to unscramble it. Okay children. Next. Found are parakeets in countries warm climate with a. So parakeets are found in countries with a warm climate. Where do you find the parakeets? With a warm climate. Okay, so you have to write parakeets are found in countries with a warm climate. Okay children. So this one has completed our worksheet 3. Okay children. So this is our worksheet for listening, speaking and writing. Okay. Here just you listen my words and do the circling. Okay. I won't do it. Okay. You have to do. Listen and do. Okay. In these 3 of the things I am saying glass. Please circle the glass. Next one is roots. Where are the roots? Please check it out and circle it. Next one is third one, face. Fourth one, fault. Where is the fault? That you have to circle it. Okay. Fifth one, across. Okay. Next. Work in groups of 4. Take turns and tell each other what you like to do on Sundays. You could talk about what time you wake up, what games or activities you enjoy, what you like to eat for breakfast, how you spend with your family. These are the things you just speak with your friends. Okay, by calling them you do. Okay children. Now here this is the homework children. This is the homework. Okay, many wonderful stories have a lot of magic in them. Think of your favorite story that uses magic or magical creatures. Write a short summary of that book or story. You could include the plot, main characters and the style of the story. See, there are so many magical stories are there. So their characters and everything you have to imagine and then you have to write. Okay children? Take care. Bye bye. Tomorrow we will meet. Okay.